Welcome back. One of you guys said that I should use a pressure washer to try and uncover the mystery sidewalk to nowhere. We don't know where this sidewalk that I'm standing on goes, and so I told a friend that I was thinking maybe a pressure washer would do it. We would try one, and he said, I have one and I'll bring it over. So let's try it. That doesn't work. A machete is much better than this. So now we know. Thanks for joining me. Catch y'all next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.